Cisco One Software. Access Wireless. It is inevitable. Are we ready? Change is innovation, growth. Change is the new normal. Our customers want outcomes, business relevance, agility, simplicity. Software is core to the digital world, and Cisco customers are already getting big results. Imagine the possibilities of transitioning Wi-Fi from an IT cost center to a revenue enabler. Learn more about Cisco, how Cisco software can create new opportunities for you.
Consumers always determine how fast the retailer wants to adopt technologies. We believe that within 5 years, consumers are going to demand contextualized, personalized interactions inside the store. And the retailers that aren't doing that are going to be left behind. We see the urgency increasing in being able to contextualize and personalize that interaction to keep the consumer coming back into the store instead of spending all their time online shopping or going to your best competitor.
The only way that I think personalization is ever going to have an impact is if it actually is relevant to the consumer and it's actually contextual, so it makes sense in that moment.
What's happening now is that the media is no longer pushing me to a place to buy the product, it's actually becoming the place I can buy the product. It's becoming the portal for commerce. And I would argue that the store, in many respects, could be the most powerful form of media that a brand actually has at its disposal.
Personalization, mobility, analytics, digitalization of business, democratization of applications. Cisco's software strategy incorporates 4 basic principles. First and foremost, focus on the user experience. The goal being that the user experience is intuitive, immersive, and consistent. Second, the entire portfolio is cloud-ready. This provides the customer the ability to be agile and adaptive in their business needs. Third, we deploy an application-centric infrastructure. Because of this focus, we are able to integrate security into the applications that run our customers' business. And finally, consumption model flexibility. This is the cornerstone of allowing our customers to migrate from premise to cloud and perpetual to subscription. In other words, total flexibility as their licensing requirements evolve. These principles are key to market disruption in a digital age. Customers need software flexibility to increase their business velocity. Introducing Cisco One Software, a more valuable and flexible way to consume Cisco software. It provides a simpler licensing model, better total cost of ownership, and access to constant innovation. Let's take a look now at the fundamentals of the Cisco One software offering. Cisco One software is comprised of a 3x3 structure. The 3 architectures are Data Center, WAN, and Access. Within Data Center is divided into networking and compute. And in the Access architecture, we have switching and wireless. In addition, from a software perspective, there is Foundation, Advanced Application, and Advanced Security. These 3 levels of software offerings provide the customer bundled capabilities within each level of software. We will cover this in greater detail when we review the 3 architectures and subsequent modules. In summary, the 3x3 Cisco One software model is 3 architectures and 3 software levels. Customers benefit with this model as we have incorporated many software capabilities in each bundle. They can access and use those capabilities as their business requirements demand. So what is Cisco One? Cisco One takes what used to be hundreds and hundreds of choices when it came to hardware and software and combines them to make a simple 3x3 option to acquire Cisco software. The result of this simplification makes it easier to buy as well as sell. Cisco One also decouples the software features from the hardware, enabling software license portability and access to ongoing innovation for the life of the software versus the hardware. And finally, licenses are perpetual or subscription-based and have several ELA options to use for procurement. So in summary, Cisco One software makes it easier to buy and sell, allows portability and innovation, and gives our customers the flexibility of licensing in the way that makes the most sense to them. When we look at Cisco One software from the lifetime perspective, we have 3 ideal opportunities to sell Cisco One software: at purchase, in deployment, and at refresh. The first is at purchase. There are economies of scale and a lower TCO, and simplified purchasing make this an attractive offer to explore with the customer. The second would be for those customers with Cisco deployed. These customers will need to be sold on the broader feature set, ongoing innovation, and improved management that Cisco One brings. Third, customers at refresh are ideal candidates since TCO, portability, ongoing innovation, etc. can be leveraged at this stage with the customer. Cisco One software really helps us in several areas. With regard to customer relevance, by aligning our software solutions into the business, we will naturally gain relevance in this area. Another great area is in the deal size increase using Cisco One software. On average, deals will go up by approximately 10 to 15%, and I suppose if you review that with our annual goal increases, Cisco One software may help bridge that gap. Competitive displacement is an absolute benefit of Cisco One software. Using the bundling effect to create better value using Cisco and displacing a competitor should not be overlooked. And naturally, as our customers utilize more of our software, we will create greater stickiness for Cisco software and hardware with our customers. As customers deploy a broader software suite, our overall business will naturally grow with additional hardware and software. Now let's take a look at Cisco One software for Access Wireless. Cisco One software is a new software offer. You need to sell the business relevance to create the desire for adoption. Have you ever seen a TV commercial and you watched it and you thought, wow, I really need to buy that. I want to buy that thing. And you don't even really know what just happened. You just saw the spot and now you want to buy something. You have the thought, I want to get out there and buy it. What if I could teach you the process we use with Cisco to make customers desire that Cisco One software? And you can apply it, making your customers desire working with you, buying more software from you, attracting more of your ideal customers to you. What if I could give you a few questions and scenarios that you could use as you go to market with Cisco One software? Questions to ask your customers that would help them grow their business and help them attract more customers to their business, helping you help them, thereby helping you sell more software to them. Today, we are creating possibilities by transitioning Cisco hardware and software business from something you are trying to sell to something people want to buy. This module will help you understand the use cases, functionality, and finally, the contents of the Cisco One software suite for the Access Wireless offers. Your success comes from a foundational understanding of your customer's line of business challenges and desires and their market environment. What your customers really want to know is not just how to cut the bottom line, but to also grow the top line. That's what they really care about. Your job is to ask them questions that make them think differently about their business. You don't have to grow their business for them. You have to ask them the right questions to get them to think about things that they aren't thinking about in their business right now that can make a difference for them. Then, you can position Cisco One software features into powerful and relevant solutions that justify its new pricing model. Let's look at a couple customer personas that align themselves with Cisco One for Access Wireless. Foundation for Wireless will enable customers to provide business-class wireless access. This includes wireless connectivity optimization technology, network management, energy management, and base identity service. When looking at advanced mobility services, the customers that best fit this profile prioritize the ability to create a customized wireless experience for their customers and employees. Capabilities included in this bundle are detection, content push, analytics, and advanced wireless security and intrusion protection. The advanced mobility option provides business with software that supports innovative and profitable solutions in the area of mobility. Using iPads for ordering, the Sushi Bar brings mobile technology to the point of sale in its restaurant. Note these are fixed in place and provided by the restaurant. The advanced mobility services from the Cisco One software Access Wireless suite enables this restaurant to innovate their service model. Customers can use their own mobile device in a BYOD model. Base identity service and intrusion protection provide confidence and security, and location services can allow new models of customer engagement, like having the customer to place orders and have runners serve them at their table. Cisco One for Access, Foundation for Wireless, helps customers with their BYOD and mobility-related initiatives from access, security, and the management of their wireless environment. Additional foundation benefits include the ability to proactively manage wireless devices and users, segregate trusted and guest users, authenticate and authorize users and devices via single policy, and visualize and manage the apps and traffic on the network. Customers will also be able to protect their wireless connectivity from attacks, interruptions, and downtime, and track the location of wireless devices. In the Advanced Mobility Services bundle, your customer can leverage software capabilities to drive business-related wireless opportunities. Cisco One software allows customers to transform wireless connectivity to a secure platform for personalized mobile experiences. Mobile devices cannot be ignored, either inside your customer's corporate networks or to their customers. Wireless enables the creation of rich customer engagement by instantly providing context-aware mobile content while on your Cisco Wi-Fi. This enables customers to understand how customers are interacting with you individually and in aggregate to increase your revenue opportunities. Customers can integrate with other applications for customized value creation, such as the ability to allow food services to be ordered by mobile and delivered right to the customer location. You can feel confident that your mobile platform is secure from intrusion, denial of service attack, and other threats. The third bundle of software under Cisco One Software for Access is the Identity Services for Access component. This software enables the security necessary to support a mobile workforce. The benefits include the ability to enforce usage policies in conjunction with Cisco TrustSec, so that you can deploy popular mobile devices, such as iPhones and Androids, integration with leading mobile application management and mobile device management. The Cisco One software solution is also extremely scalable, up to 250,000 active and 1 million registered devices. It also allows integration with leading security information and event management to improve cybersecurity. Here is an example of what Access Wireless can bring to customers who invest in the Cisco Mobile Experience, or CMX. It is a prime opportunity to position Cisco One software for Access Wireless when customers use CMX.
Schools, hotels, airports, stores. Attracting and retaining customers is the lifeblood to any organization. They must increase customer loyalty and use mobile devices and apps to improve the customer experience. Cisco Connected Mobile Experiences is a platform that uses Wi-Fi to detect, connect, and engage users, using context-aware intelligence to deliver personalized mobile services. It offers organizations a unique way to communicate with and better understand their customers while improving the customer experience in their venue. Coupling the Cisco Mobility Services engine to Cisco Unified Access Infrastructure, organizations can automatically detect the presence and engage their customers within their venue and with tailored messages. Using the customer's mobile device and installed browser can customize and deliver content based on a user's location, ranging from informational updates to indoor maps, sales promotions, or evacuation instructions. This location data also increases efficiencies by understanding new versus repeat customers, dwell times, customer traffic patterns, and conversion rates.
Let's take a look at the Cisco One software for Access Wireless from the total cost of ownership perspective. By comparing the present and future costs and benefits, TCO considers all costs over the lifecycle: pre-use, usable life, and post-usable life. With the Cisco One software suite, you can see that total cost of ownership can provide savings from approximately 3 to 5%, all the way up to in excess of 50%, depending on the configuration and products offered. This is one of the key go-to market value propositions that have been identified when positioning Cisco One with your customers. and to support that the suite itself is so competitively priced with the flexible consumption model, allowing licensing to be portable to new platforms in the future is additional benefit. The additional cost above the base OS becomes justifiable when customers are presented with these additional features. Let's look at Cisco One from a financial perspective with total cost of ownership in mind. Let's look at CMX as an example. There is some significant TCO savings that your customers will enjoy. On the traditional purchase, all of the desired software is priced a la carte. The Cisco One software offering bundles all of the software in this 2 SKUs Foundation and Advanced. This is $89,000 in software, now priced at $50,000 through the bundling of Cisco One software. Cisco One software requires its own bundle SKU and Swiss. Swiss will be a reoccurring cost while providing access to new software updates and innovation throughout the term of the agreement. If a customer is feeling lucky, SmartNet can be added to the package as well. Positioning the Cisco One software suite for Access Wireless will resonate well with both the CFO and IT organization from a cost perspective. From a business perspective, all of the traditional values of CMX will drive the utilization of this solution. In this example, we show an example of the total TCO over a 5-year period between the traditional and Cisco One software model. As you can see, the customer enjoys significant savings at refresh for the equipment if they've already purchased the software in the Cisco One software format. The bottom line, this sale works best if you have positioned the CMX solution to allow the Cisco One software advanced application level to justify its additional cost in business outcomes or benefits. It's all about business value. Then the financial value will only make things look better. Then at refresh, in this case shown in 5 years, the CMX software does not need to be repurchased. The result is significant savings when the hardware is refreshed at this time. The only fees carried forward are Swiss and SmartNet. Let's look at services and support for Cisco One software. SmartNet and SmartNet Total Care are focused on the hardware and basic OS support, including operating system software updates, downloading new maintenance releases, patches and updates of Cisco One software will enhance and extend the life of your devices. On average, there are 6 million OS downloads a year. SmartNet is only required for the first year, but should be associated with Cisco One software throughout the lifetime of the purchase. Swiss should be associated with Cisco One software throughout the purchase's lifetime. Swiss can maximize your technology investments by increasing the performance of current functionality, adding new functionality that in many cases requires no additional hardware investment, enhancing network availability, reliability, and stability, and license portability. The technical services for Cisco One software is comprised of 2 services that cover hardware and software support. Software support service, which supports the 3 product Cisco One software product types: Advanced Security, Advanced Application, and Foundation. SmartNet and SmartNet Total Care support the infrastructure layer and base operating system. Cisco One software services are offered in service plan designed to give customers the best service option to suit their specific business outcomes. Day One offerings provide support for each client as they plan and build their network services. For Cisco One software, the Day One service is known as Quick Start Fixed Price. Quick Start Fixed Price is designed to offer customers a set of services aligned with the plan and building required to create effective business solutions. Day Two services focus on the ongoing management and optimization of the network, allowing customers to operate with maximum efficiency and agility. The guided implementation team and help desk resources included in this service enable customers to reduce their risk while implementing Cisco One software, accelerate adoption, and utilize the full feature set available within the software. Included in the Quick Start services for Day One are 3 primary components: strategy, planning, and design. These are fixed price services and will guide your customer through their implementation of Cisco One software solutions. Optimization Day Two services provides high value by providing the customer with the ability to have the Cisco software service team fine-tune performance. meaning improvements in speed and efficiency can and should be expected that in turn can outperform their competition. Let's look at Day 1 service that you can sell with Cisco One software Access Wireless. The Quick Start Cisco One services for Access Wireless Unified Access come in two offerings. The first is the Foundation for Access Wireless, and the second is an Advanced Services offering which consists of three choices. Mobile Workspace services for unified access for small, medium, or large networks. In a moment, we'll see what differentiates these network size selections. The services include strategy and analysis, architecture design, and deployment. The benefits of this service are: it ensures security at all levels of network design, delivers pervasive wireless capabilities, establishes foundational pillar for BYOD and ultimately enterprise mobility strategy, and allows your customer to achieve network-wide device management and visibility with Prime Infrastructure or Prime Virtual Network Analysis module. Here is an example of Quick Start service for Foundation, broken into Mobile Workspace services for Unified Access Small, which consists of 1 to 10 access point counts and 1 to 150 concurrent endpoints and 50 end users. Mobile Workspace services for Unified Access Medium, which consists of 11 to 50 access point counts and 151 to 1,500 concurrent endpoints and 500 end users. Mobile Workspace services for Unified Access Large, which consists of 51 to 100 access point counts and 1,501 to 3,000 concurrent endpoints and 1,000 end users. The Quick Start services offerings for advanced mobility services come in three services options: small, medium, and large mobility app services for connected mobile experience. The services in these offerings include strategy and analysis, assessment, solution design and deployment. Your customer will receive infrastructure and enterprise system integration, API, SDK connector development and integration. They will be able to develop new vertical-specific mobile business application or integrate mobility application solution into your existing mobile application. Quick Start service for mobility application services for connected mobile experience is broken into three service levels whose characteristics are as follows. For small, 1 to 10 access point count, 1 to 150 concurrent endpoints, 10K square footage, 5 points of interests or zones. For medium, 11 to 50 access point count, 151 to 1,500 concurrent endpoints, 100K square footage, 15 points of interests or zones. For large, 51 to 100 access point count, 1,501 to 3,000 concurrent endpoints, 200K square footage, 50 points of interests or zones. A la carte services for Cisco One software for access mobility are seen here. These allow your customer to be able to receive a wireless LAN plan and design medium for 11 to 50 access points, 151 to 1,500 endpoints, and up to 500 users. Or they can have a mobility strategy and analysis service, which covers mobile workspace, BYOD, and/or unified access solutions within enterprise mobility and service provider domains. They can also deploy network management through Quick Start deployment service for prime components for Cisco One. And finally, they can receive mobility application services strategy and analysis service, which covers mobility application, Internet of Things, and connected mobile experience solutions within enterprise mobility and service provider domains. Now, let's look at how to create a bill of materials for a Cisco One software purchase. This section assumes you have access to and the knowledge related to navigating Cisco tools, such as the Cisco Commerce Workspace. If not, we recommend that you watch the Bill of Materials module included with this course. Under the traditional BOM, you had hundreds of choices to configure. You had to choose which of the hundreds of available features you would apply to that specific device, then determine the meter, and then what services you would apply. Under the traditional way of creating a BOM, there were 69 levels of service within SmartNet alone. The bottom line is that in a traditional BOM, you had hundreds of SKUs combined with over 40 components and 20 product families. With a Cisco One software BOM, You have a base platform which includes your iOS and product support, 2 software offerings, services, and price. This greatly reduces the variables while increasing the value to the customer. To get a foundational level understanding of all the different software suites and the value that they offer, please make sure to complete the Foundations and Architectures tracks of the Cisco One Software e-learning program. Instead of having to match features to meter, now you only have to select from one of the 3 software bundles and select the services component, simplifying the process for Cisco account teams and making it simpler for the customer to understand the BOM. Global Virtual Engineering, or GVE, offers a tremendous resource as you begin to sell the Cisco One software offerings. Global Virtual Engineering is a pre-sales team of engineers that specializes in each of Cisco's architectures. This team supports the Cisco internal sales teams via the Technology Solutions Network, or TSN, and the partner sales teams through Partner Help, or PH, and/or Partner Help Plus, or PH+. The Cisco internal sales teams and partner sales teams can engage Global Virtual Engineering for pre-sales technical support 24 hours a day, 5 days a week from anywhere in the world. The Global Virtual Engineering engineers can provide assistance with your Cisco One software opportunities. The engineers can provide details about Cisco One software solutions. More specifically, the engineers can articulate the value proposition and positioning for specific solutions within the bundle. Global Virtual Engineering can also assist in the creation of any preliminary bill of material. In addition, Global Virtual Engineering has a team focused specifically on technical services to assist with any Cisco One software support services, or SWIS. A Cisco Smart Account is the new way for customers to view and manage Cisco software licenses and entitlements across their entire organization. Smart Accounts provide many benefits. Provide enterprise-wide visibility and management of software purchases and licenses. Manage users and permissions to entitlements. Track usage of licenses and associated devices. Enable license portability, eliminate PAC registration, and simplify RMA rehosting. A Smart Account is required for Cisco One software products to enable license portability. All end customers must complete a one-time setup of a Smart Account. A Smart Account is not required to place a Cisco One software order, but will be in the near future. Only current exception is Enterprise Cloud Suite, as it contains a smart licensing product. A customer Smart Account is required to complete order fulfillment for Cisco One software products. If you have a Cisco One software opportunity in your pipeline, it is best to proactively help your customer create a Smart Account prior to booking a Cisco One software order. Anyone with a Cisco User ID, CCO ID, can request a new Smart Account on behalf of the customer. If a Smart Account is not created by the time of order processing, the software operations team will reach out to the customer to help them set up their Smart Account. The link to set up a new Smart Account can be found in the PowerPoint notes of this module. Congratulations! Now you can pitch Cisco One software in every deal. Remember to position Cisco One software early in the deal process. Practically every deal can be a Cisco One software opportunity. Understand and speak specifically to your customers' business outcomes. This will help you increase your deal sizes and create upside opportunities. Mark deals in Salesforce as Cisco One software opportunities. This will give you access to more resources designed to help you close the deal. Take your competitors by surprise. Use Cisco One software suite to change the value proposition from a hardware and software sale to a tool to grow your customer's business. To receive more information, navigate to the other modules included in the Cisco One software training program tracks.